What's going on, everybody? This is Shane from Heads and Tails, and today we're doing an unboxing. We got this guy from Copper Sparks Reptiles. Let's open it up and take a look. Got some stickers. This way. Pretty cool. Ooh, a little letter, that's awesome. Invoice, y'all don't need to see that. All right. Here he is. Get this out of the way. Let me open this real quick. Probably should have grabbed scissors. Yeah, I'm gonna grab scissors, one sec. Cool. Very well secured. He feels nice and warm, so that's good. There was some concern about shipping. I live in Texas, so it's pretty hot here, but luckily for me, in the mornings, it's still pretty cool out. Moment of truth, guys. Oh, yeah. Hi, baby boy. This guy is our Spotnose clown. And he is going to be breeding to Mrs. Buttersworth. So, looks good. Super excited. Hi, good boy. How you doing, handsome? Welcome home, buddy. You're gonna love it here. We got girls, big old spots for you to hang out. Make sure that he looks good. I don't see anything wrong. Man, you are a good-looking boy, my guy. Super excited about this one. So we are going to be breeding him to Mrs. Buttersworth, who is our pastel Enchi butter leopard, and she is het for clown. So we might end up getting some pretty cool Batman combos first shot. That'd be pretty awesome. And oh shit, he scared shit out of me there. Hi, buddy. Look at you. Yeah. Hello. You're a good-looking man. He's got some good size to him. Great pattern. Look at that head stamp. Sorry, didn't mean to touch your head there on that thing. Hi, buddy. Glad to have you. You are looking good. Seems pretty chill too, so I appreciate the quality that he is. So this guy was bred with a Spotnose, well, he was bred from a Spotnose clown and a fire clown. Both of them are JKR snakes. So in a roundabout way, he's kind of a kinova snake. But Yeah, I'm super excited for this guy. He is gonna do some big things for us. I've been needing to put Spotnose and Clown together, so getting a Spotnose Clown, oh yeah. Well, this is gonna be all today. We're gonna go and get him in his enclosure, all that good stuff. Well, I'll probably hang out with him for a little bit longer first, but thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.